Hey, what's up everybody? I'm Eric from Maxlider Brothers Customs, and we're a proud partner of United Pacific Industries. And at this year's SEMA 2018, we built them a Bronco. And the Bronco has a complete brand new tub that's built with UPI's Bronco metal that they produce and offer. It's sitting on top of a custom Coyote chassis because you got to have a Coyote engine in your Bronco, right? Well, on that chassis, there's a 4-link front, 3-link rear, all on coilovers and long arms, and it handles just as well as it looks. We've got all kinds of modern features and all kinds of really cool things to look at, such as the roll cage in the back that actually functions. It bolts into the body mounts and structural points so that it can provide a little bit of safety. Most of them just bolt in that you find on the market. Not anymore. We've got a whole new solution for you. So come take a look at the Bronco, and we're going to do a little run through on all the cool features that you're going to see.